Hey, let me show you how you can fix this issue when you cannot connect your Xiaomi Sound Pocket into your smartphone, tablet or PC. So first of all, you have to be sure that your speaker is turned on. So it means that this indicator just lights up or blinking. Then you will have to use two buttons combination. You will have to click and hold the volume up button and the Bluetooth button for around 5 seconds until you feel sound and speaker turns off. There we go. Now click and hold the power button to turn it on. And now click once on the Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode. So this indicator will start blinking quickly. Now on your device, I can recommend you to switch off and switch on the Bluetooth. Open the Bluetooth settings and click to pair new device. Select Xiaomi Sound Pocket, accept the pairing request, and as you can see right now, it is finished. So tell me if it works. Right now, please subscribe.